Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Allure Beauty Box for July. I'm super excited. I don't know what's in here. Like, I have no idea. I usually see spoilers. I've been so behind the past month. Like, I think I've told you guys, like, it's always, like, we're so busy. Like, literally, I don't feel like I get a chance to come up for air. But I'm excited to see this then. It makes it a complete surprise for all of us. Anyway, this is a beauty box curated by the editors of Allure magazine. It is $22 a month with full size, single size, deluxe size items. Just a nice mix. This is one you'll get high-end skincare items. So if you're not into skincare, I don't know that I would suggest this one. You also don't get to select. There are variations, but you don't get to choose, whereas other beauty boxes you kind of get to, but you do have a lower price point at $22 than other larger boxes. All right, does that make sense? I hope so. All right, so we may open it up. Inside we have what they call our mini magazine. This lists each of the items along with their full-size retail value. They're not all full-size items in this box, so that can kind of be a little misleading, but you know. Oh, I will link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Allure Beauty Box with my affiliate link, so if you're interested in checking them out, you can do that. They always have also like free gifts when you subscribe, which is kind of cool too. I think so. All right, and then there is your best breast. They've been including this thing, there's a lot to unpack card with like tips on like certain things. So this one is for your like making your brows look better. Like if you have 90s brows because you overblocked in the 90s. Not that I did that or anything, but I know somebody out there knows exactly what I'm talking about. All right, dating myself there. All right, shop like a beauty editor, Allure. Oh, it just tells you about limited edition stuff from Allure. Whatever. I want to get into the good stuff, all right? Allure. All right, so first we have, this is from Winky Lux. This is their Unibrow. I mean, I could have guessed there would be a brow product in here. Their Universal Brow Pencil. Let's open this baby up. I don't want to rip the box. What's in the box? Here, I'm going to open it from the bottom. I didn't take my pictures yet. It's super pretty. Gold and purple. That's very pretty. All right, so this is their Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. So on this side, we have the little spoolie. And then on this side, we have the, so here, oh, it's super waxy. That's okay. I could get along with that color. I have to try it out. Like, they're hard. Sometimes you can't really tell when you're putting it on your hand. You're like, I don't know what I'm looking at. Have to try it out. All right. Anyway, we're going to keep going here. And then we'll look at the insert and kind of go over the retail values at the end. All right. So next up we have, this is from Able Skincare London, a brand I've never heard of. Anti-aging, retexturing, and resurfacing duo moisturizer. This is a 1.69 ounce jar. This may have a very high value to it. I've never heard of this, but these resurfacing creams, for whatever reason, I don't know exactly. I guess they kind of exfoliate, always seem to be on the pricier side. Go figure. All right, here is, oh my gosh, I just saw this in my drawer. The Allure brightening vitamin C jelly mask. So this has vitamin C, ferulic acid, and banana flower extract. Allure is one of those brands. They make clean beauty products. You can buy them they're always in like the Whole Foods beauty bag. See, it's like a jelly. It really is a jelly in there. I don't want to open it because I already have one open, but that's nice. Nice. All right. What are you? Who's you? It's from Crabtree and Evelyn. I've never seen them in like a subscription box. This is the Gardener's Spiced Honey Bath Syrup. What the hell is a bath syrup? Syrup blend, ginseng root extract, manuka honey, and coconut oil. We're going to have to find out on the insert because it doesn't tell you on here what the heck a bath syrup is. We're gonna find out. All right, this is from La Roche-Posay. This is their Hyalu B5 serum. I don't use hyaluronic acid anymore. I think I've told you guys that. So this I'll be passing right along. And it is a sample size, FYI. Clearly, obviously. All right, so here is our final item. It looks like a little palette of some sort or something. It's from Ciate with their mirrored packaging. This is, oh, it's a bronze, no, it's a bronze 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Ooh, let's swatch it right here together, right? So there's their little pink packaging. There's a mirror in there. And here we have 1, 2, 3. So there's 9 with 3 mattes and 6 shimmers. So we're just gonna go, we'll just do it here. There's that. Do I want to do this right now? Here's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna do this. We're gonna insert some swatches right here. All right, so now that you've seen the swatches, not me getting this all over my body, we'll look at the values of each of the items included in this box. So that's a lot of items for $22. It's just whether or not you would use them. That's all. All right, so let's look at our little insert here. The first item is the Ciate palette. That's $24. The Able Skincare Retexturing and C Resurfacing Moisturizing Duo. That's full size and it's $132. Isn't that insane? The Accurate Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask is $19.99 for the full size. That's not full size, clearly. And then the La Roche-Posay is $29.99 for the full size. That's not full size. The Winky Lux is $16. The Crabtree and Evelyn Spiced Honey Bath Syrup is $35 for the full size. So this is condensing into the humid, but that sounds amazing and not too far from a recent experience I had with this bath syrup. It looks decadent, smells amber sweet, and turns every bath into a special occasion. So it's just basically like you mix it into your water and it's kind of like massage oil. It adds fragrance to the air. It's like, I don't know, that sounds crazy. I think that sounds amazing. I actually want to try it. There was a variation for this product of the Crabtree and Evelyn Rose Luscious Shower Milk, which is equally confusing. Their products are a little confusing. Just gonna put that out there, Crabtree and Evelyn. Anyway, I love this box. I think this is a great month from Allure. If you're interested in checking them out, like I said, I will put that down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.